Hello everyone. Today we will create a transparent text effect in Canva. Select the appropriate design type for your project, such as a social media post, presentation, or custom dimensions. Today we choose a thumbnail. You can choose a solid color for a minimalistic design or upload a photo for more dynamic effect. Click on the Text tab from the sidebar and choose a font style. Then select the font type in the 210 black box in the text search bar. Type in your desired text. Move your text around to find the perfect spot where the background interacts well with the transparency of your text. Customize the font type, size, and color to complement your background and overall design aesthetic. Once satisfied with your design, click the download button in the upper right corner. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a transparent text effect in Canva. If you found this guide useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy creating!